In this video, I wanted to show you how to use the Google Drive Assignments app in Schoology. Unfortunately, there are a couple of steps you have to take in order to get everything set up, but once you're set up, it's a really great tool to use in your classes. So the first thing you're going to want to do is from your home screen, go to the 4 boxes at the top, and that is going to then open up your App Center. What you have to do in this one is actually install your apps. And so there are a lot of different apps that you can choose from that allow you to connect different websites and programs to your courses. The one that we're going to do today is called Google Drive Assignments. So find that and click on that. You're then going to want to install the app and agree. And then you can actually connect it to certain classes. So you can connect it to all your classes. I'm going to connect it to my KickQuicks class, which is the one that I use for training. So I'm going to install. And then now it has been saved. So now that I've done that, I'm going to go over to my course. And when I am in there, I am going to create an assignment. So I'm going to go to Add Materials and do Add Assignment. What we're going to do today is just a very quick, if I were going to be doing the beginning of unit, and I wanted to see what the students knew about the unit. So I'm going to put my name, I'm going to put my description. Okay, so I have my name and description. Now you can see I have Assign from App, and there's the Google Drive Assignments link there. When I click on that, it's going to pop up and it's going to ask me to connect to my Google Drive account. So I'm going to take through the steps real quickly to connect to my YPA account, do allow, and now I can actually see everything in my Google Drive. So what I did is ahead of time, I went ahead and created a very simple and easy KWL chart and saved it to my drive. I'm now going to click on it and attach it. As you can see on the screen, it tells you that this is going to create a separate copy of the file for each of your students, and I'm going to show you what that looks like on the other end. So for this one, I'm going to go ahead and click on a due date with the time. I'm going to put it in and under classwork for a grading category. If I wanted to, I could choose a different scale or rubric. The other options are pretty much the same that you have with just about everything that you do. And you can obviously also copy it to your other courses if you wanted to do that. So I'm going to click Create. And now this is going to then pop up on my main page for my class, but it's also going to pop up for my students' main page. So what we'll do now is see what it looks like once the kids have actually had an opportunity to go in and complete it. So now that I've created the assignment, it is back here on my main page for my course. And when I click on it, I actually go to a different type of Google Assignments tab where I can see the assignment, and I can also see what students are in progress. When the students click on the assignment, it pulls up a similar page that actually takes them to their own version of the Google Drive file. So they can type in their file. They're not interacting with each other's files. Each sheet is completely different. So when I'm clicking through this, I can see where the students are. I can see that Jess here has started, but she doesn't seem to be taking it very seriously. I can see that Rebecca has started and has some good feedback that she's already put in there. Paige has opened the assignment and hasn't started typing, and Elise hasn't started the assignment at all. So I can see all the different stages. I can also go in and make comments. So if I see here, hey, I think that this is a great question, I can actually go to it just like you do in a Google Drive file, open up a comments thread, add a comment, and over here say, great question. So you can add feedback right then and there in the assignment, even while the students are still working on it. So once students finish their assignment and submit it, then it goes over to the Submissions tab. So I can see I have one student who has submitted the assignment. I can review the work that they have done here right in the tab, and I can even go ahead and grade it. So for this one, it was a classwork grade. I just wanted the kids to give me some information about what they knew. And so really just since it was an effort grade, I can go ahead and put 10 out of 10. If I want to put a comment, I can. I save it. Now I've actually graded it and it's actually already populated in my grade book. So the Google Drive assignments application is a really great way for you to give some different opportunities for your students to interact in Schoology, complete work in Schoology, for you to see it all in one space, and even provide feedback and grades right there in the system.